Imagine a massive, decentralized treasure hunt. Instead of shovels and pickaxes, participants use powerful computers to solve complex puzzles. The prize? Newly minted digital gold, also known as cryptocurrency. This, in essence, is the world of crypto mining. Just like the gold rush of the 19th century, crypto mining has attracted individuals and corporations alike, eager to strike it rich in this new digital frontier. It's a world of high stakes, cutting-edge technology, and the potential for both great reward and considerable risk. But unlike the physical gold rush, which left environmental scars and depleted natural resources, crypto mining operates in the digital realm. Its impact, however, is far from virtual. The energy required to power the vast networks of computers used in mining has raised concerns about its environmental footprint. This has led to the development of more sustainable mining practices and the exploration of alternative energy sources. The allure of crypto mining lies in its potential to generate significant profits. However, the process is not without its challenges. It requires a deep understanding of blockchain technology, specialized equipment, and a considerable investment of time and resources. This essay aims to demystify the world of crypto mining, providing a beginner's guide to its intricacies, challenges, and potential rewards. Crypto mining is the process by which new units of cryptocurrency are created and added to the existing circulating supply. This process is crucial for the functioning of cryptocurrencies, as it ensures the security and integrity of the underlying blockchain technology. In essence, miners act as auditors, verifying and adding transactions to the blockchain ledger. This decentralized system eliminates the need for a central authority, such as a bank, to oversee and validate transactions. Crypto mining is not merely about creating new coins, it also plays a vital role in securing the network. By solving complex mathematical problems, miners ensure that transactions are legitimate and prevent double spending. This process, known as proof of work, requires miners to expend significant computational power, making it difficult and costly for malicious actors to manipulate the blockchain. The rewards for successful mining can be substantial, especially for early adopters or those with access to cheap electricity and high-performance hardware. However, as the difficulty of mining increases and more miners join the network, the competition for rewards intensifies. This has led to the emergence of mining pools, where individual miners combine their computing power to increase their chances of earning rewards. Imagine a giant Sudoku puzzle, but with cryptographic hashes. Miners solve these puzzles using specialized hardware. Solving a puzzle lets miners add a block to the blockchain and earn rewards. Miners gather transactions and assemble them into a block. Each block references the previous one, ensuring a secure record. Miners generate a unique hash for the block. The goal is to find a hash that meets specific criteria. Typically, this hash starts with a certain number of zeros. The successful miner broadcasts the block, which is then verified and added to the blockchain. Challenges and costs. Crypto mining's rewards come with significant challenges and costs. High energy consumption is a major concern. Mining demands significant electricity, especially for proof-of-work blockchains. The environmental impact is hotly debated. Critics cite fossil fuel reliance and greenhouse gas emissions. Many miners now use renewable energy to reduce their footprint. Energy-efficient hardware and proof-of-stake are emerging solutions. Specialized equipment like ASICs is costly but essential. ASICs offer performance advantages but require substantial investment. Individual miners struggle against large farms. Mining pools help by combining computing power. Pools increase earnings consistency, but share rewards. Conclusion: is crypto mining for you? Crypto mining, much like the digital gold rush it resembles, presents both opportunities and challenges. It plays a vital role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, securing the network and enabling the creation of new coins. However, it's not a path to quick riches and requires careful consideration of the associated costs and risks. Before diving into crypto mining, aspiring miners need to thoroughly assess their resources and commitment level. Factors to consider include the cost of electricity, the availability and price of mining hardware, and the level of technical expertise required to set up and maintain a mining operation. Additionally, it's crucial to understand the volatile nature of cryptocurrency markets and the potential for significant price fluctuations. For those with limited resources or technical expertise, joining a mining pool might be a more viable option than solo mining. However, it's essential to research and select a reputable pool with transparent fee structures and a proven track record. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to engage in crypto mining is a personal one that should be based on a thorough understanding of the risks and rewards involved.